Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Dahir Insaat's Flying Train Concept. The flying train concept by Dahir Insaat presents a futuristic and eco-friendly vision for urban transportation. This revolutionary system introduces train-like pods suspended from elevated tracks, merging high-speed efficiency with reduced environmental impact. Developed by Russian engineers, the concept aims to address traffic congestion and minimize urban carbon footprints. Powered by electric propulsion, the pods can traverse urban areas swiftly without generating harmful emissions, offering an advanced alternative to traditional rail systems and road-based transit options. A key feature of the flying train is its elevated structure, which bypasses ground-level obstacles like traffic jams. This design not only ensures faster commutes but also integrates seamlessly with existing cityscapes, avoiding disruptions to everyday life below. The elevated tracks can adapt to diverse urban layouts, making it a scalable and versatile solution for expanding cities. This innovation is more than just a transport system. It reflects the need for sustainable, efficient, and space-conscious urban planning. By tackling issues such as pollution and inefficient transit networks, the flying train has the potential to transform city living. Though still in the conceptual phase, its promise of sustainable mass transit makes it a strong contender for the future of smart urban environments. Dahir Insaat's Future Fire Concept. The Future Fire Concept by Dahir Insaat showcases a groundbreaking innovation tailored for urban firefighting and rescue missions. This futuristic vehicle addresses challenges faced by emergency services in densely populated cities, where traffic congestion can significantly delay response times. At its core is a gyroscopic stabilization system that allows the fire truck to extend its legs and elevate above ground-level obstacles. By rising over congested streets, it ensures swift access to emergency sites, reducing response times and enhancing operational efficiency. Another standout feature is its remotely operated, high-pressure nozzles. These nozzles can be controlled from a safe distance, allowing firefighters to tackle fires with precision while minimizing personal risk. This capability not only improves safety for rescue teams but also enables more effective fire suppression. The vehicle's advanced design incorporates cutting-edge technologies, emphasizing both functionality and innovation. While still a prototype, the Future Fire Concept highlights Dahir Insaat's vision for modern emergency solutions. As urbanization increases, the demand for adaptable and efficient firefighting vehicles will grow. Airbus Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus. Airbus's Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus reimagines the future of air travel by combining passenger comfort, operational efficiency, and environmental sustainability. This innovative concept incorporates state-of-the-art technologies to create a more personalized and engaging flying experience. Key features include smart seats equipped with biometric recognition that adjust automatically to each passenger's preferences, offering unparalleled comfort. Additionally, passengers will have control over their individual climate settings, ensuring a tailored and relaxing atmosphere during flights. The cabin design includes advanced in-flight entertainment systems, such as augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, making long-haul journeys more immersive and enjoyable. To cater to diverse passenger needs, the cabin offers a range of seating configurations, from luxurious private suites for premium travelers to cost-efficient, flexible economy options. Enhanced storage space, mood-adjustable lighting, and the use of eco-friendly materials further underscore the futuristic appeal of the cabin. The focus on energy-efficient technologies highlights Airbus's commitment to reducing aviation's environmental impact. By integrating these features, Airbus aims to redefine the passenger experience and set a new benchmark for the airline industry. While significant investment in research and technology is required, the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus stands as a bold step toward the next era of sustainable and customer-centric aviation. Airbus introduces the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus, reimagining airplane interiors with cutting-edge technology. Smart seats with biometric recognition for personalized comfort, individual climate control and VR, AR entertainment for an immersive experience. Flexible cabin layouts, from luxurious suites to eco-friendly economy seats. Focused on sustainability, Airbus aims to set a new standard in aviation with energy-efficient materials and reduced carbon footprints. Ehang's autonomous aerial vehicles. Ehang is at the forefront of revolutionizing urban transportation with its cutting-edge autonomous aerial vehicles, AAVs, often referred to as flying taxis. Designed to address the challenges of urban congestion and inefficient ground-level transit, these vehicles offer a glimpse into a future of seamless, airborne commuting. Ehang's AAVs are fully autonomous, eliminating the need for a pilot and relying instead on advanced flight control systems and centralized traffic management. Safety is a key focus in their design. These vehicles feature redundant power systems, ensuring continued functionality even if one component fails. This robust engineering inspires confidence in passengers and makes the technology viable for widespread urban use. Operating much like a subway system, Ehang envisions these aerial taxis traveling predetermined routes under centralized management, allowing for efficient and streamlined urban mobility. Ehang's vision also prioritizes affordability, aiming to make air taxis accessible to the average commuter. By potentially undercutting traditional taxi fares, these AAVs could transform not only the transportation sector but also urban planning. Beyond addressing traffic issues, these vehicles promote sustainability by using electric propulsion systems, contributing to reduced carbon emissions. Nuclear-powered Sky Hotel. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel presents a concept of luxury travel unlike any other, offering guests the opportunity to enjoy a 5-star experience while floating high above the Earth. Powered by advanced nuclear fusion technology, this massive airborne structure is designed to remain aloft for extended periods, potentially months, without the need to land or refuel. This innovative propulsion system ensures uninterrupted journeys that span continents, combining luxury with groundbreaking aviation technology. Inside the Sky Hotel, guests are treated to opulence on par with world-class resorts. The amenities include panoramic view suites, gourmet restaurants serving exquisite cuisines, luxury boutiques, and recreational facilities such as swimming pools and fitness centers. One of its standout features is the ability to board and disembark via detachable planes mid-flight, providing unparalleled convenience for guests at various points during their journey. While the experience promises breathtaking views and unparalleled adventure, it comes with an equally breathtaking price tag. Rooms start at approximately $50,000 per night, with even higher costs for exclusive suites. Despite this, the Sky Hotel represents a bold vision for the future of travel. By blending luxury with cutting-edge technology, it redefines what's possible in aviation, offering a glimpse into a future where airborne luxury becomes a hallmark of elite tourism. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel offers a luxurious, futuristic travel experience. Hovering in the air for months, this floating hotel features 5-star amenities, including panoramic suites, gourmet restaurants, and swimming pools. Detachable planes for mid-flight boarding. While rooms start at $50,000 per night, this concept could redefine luxury travel. Virgin Hyperloop. The Virgin Hyperloop is set to redefine transportation by offering a high-speed, eco-friendly alternative to traditional travel methods. Combining electric propulsion with magnetic levitation, the system propels passenger or cargo pods through near-vacuum tubes at unprecedented speeds. With the ability to reach up to 670 miles per hour, 1080 km per hour, the Hyperloop can significantly cut travel times. For example, a 6-hour car journey from San Francisco to Los Angeles could take just 30 minutes via the Hyperloop. The pods are designed to provide zero-emission transportation, addressing environmental concerns while offering a futuristic mode of transit. Equipped with autonomous technologies, the system ensures passenger safety and efficiency. The Hyperloop also offers scalable solutions for urban and intercity mobility, making it a transformative option for densely populated regions. Despite being in the development phase, early estimates suggest that ticket prices could be comparable to airfares, making it accessible to a wide range of travelers. The challenges ahead include regulatory approvals and further technological advancements, but Virgin Hyperloop is optimistic about launching commercial passenger services by the 2030s. If successful, the Hyperloop will revolutionize how we connect cities, Space Perspective's first commercial flight, 2024. Space Perspective is pioneering a new era of space tourism with its eco-friendly, luxurious approach to reaching the edge of space. Scheduled for its first commercial flight in 2024, the company's spaceship Neptune offers passengers a serene and sustainable alternative to traditional rocket launches. Unlike conventional methods that involve loud engines and high G-forces, this experience is gentle and accessible to a broader audience, including those who might not meet the physical demands of space travel. The Neptune capsule is lifted by a massive space balloon, gliding passengers to an altitude of 100,000 feet for a breathtaking view of Earth from the stratosphere. Inside the capsule, travelers can enjoy 360 degrees panoramic views, plush seating, and the option of Wi-Fi connectivity to share their journey in real time. The design emphasizes comfort and inclusivity, creating a more relaxed atmosphere compared to the intensity of rocket travel. This low-carbon approach aligns with growing demands for sustainable tourism. While the cost per seat is expected to be high, Space Perspective aims to attract environmentally conscious adventurers and those seeking a unique perspective of our planet. This initiative marks a pivotal step in making space travel more inclusive, luxurious, and mindful of environmental impact. The Gibbs Quadski. The Gibbs Quadski redefines adventure by merging the capabilities of an all-terrain quad bike and a high-speed jet ski into a single amphibious vehicle. This innovative machine transitions seamlessly between land and water with the push of a button, making it ideal for thrill-seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Powered by a 140-horsepower BMW engine, the Quadski can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 km per hour, on both terrains, ensuring an exhilarating ride. One of its standout features is its retractable wheels, which fold up when the vehicle enters water and extend upon returning to land. This ensures smooth transitions and enhances its versatility. Built for rugged adventures, the Quadski boasts a lightweight yet durable body, capable of handling challenging off-road trails and maintaining stability on water. Despite seating only one person, its intuitive controls make it user-friendly even for beginners. The Quadski appeals to those seeking an all-in-one vehicle for exploring beaches, lakes, and remote trails. While primarily marketed as a recreational vehicle, its innovative design and performance also demonstrate the potential for amphibious technology to expand into other sectors, including emergency response and exploration. Renault Clair Autonomous Garbage Truck. The Renault Clair Autonomous Garbage Truck represents the next generation of urban waste management, blending automation, efficiency, and sustainability into one innovative design. This vehicle leverages self-driving technology to optimize waste collection routes, reducing operational costs and emissions. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, the truck can navigate busy streets, avoid obstacles, and adjust its path in real time to improve efficiency. One of its standout features is the ability to identify and sort waste automatically, minimizing human intervention. Robotic arms and smart sorting mechanisms enable precise handling of garbage bins, ensuring faster and cleaner operations. These features are particularly beneficial in densely populated urban areas where traditional waste collection systems often face delays and inefficiencies. The Renault CLA truck is powered by electric or hybrid technology, significantly lowering its environmental impact compared to conventional diesel-powered garbage trucks. BD-5J aircraft, the DIY jet of the 1970s. The BD-5J aircraft, often referred to as the Lego for adults, captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts in the early 1970s. Designed as a kit, this innovative airplane allowed individuals to build a fully functional, full-sized jet in their own garage. Despite the considerable time investment, requiring around 3,500 hours of assembly, over 5,000 kits were sold. The BD-5J provided aviation hobbyists with the thrill of constructing their own lightweight aircraft, making it a unique and rewarding project for do-it-yourselfers. One of the most iconic moments in the BD-5J's history came when it was featured in the James Bond movie Octopussy. Its small size and lightweight design, just 162.5 kilograms and only 4 meters long, made it the perfect fit for a spyjet. Dahir Insaat's vision for gyroscopic transport. Dahir Insaat's gyroscopic transport concept is a bold and futuristic solution to urban mobility challenges like traffic congestion and pollution. These solar-powered, disc-shaped vehicles utilize advanced gyroscopic technology, balancing on spinning flywheels to float above traffic. Elevated on stilts, they glide smoothly over crowded streets, creating a multi-layered transportation system that could significantly reduce urban gridlock. This innovative design offers versatility in passenger experience. Commuters can choose between compact, subway-style seating for quick trips or luxurious pods equipped with sofas and televisions for a more comfortable journey. The modularity of this system ensures that it can seamlessly integrate into existing cityscapes, operating alongside pedestrian areas without disrupting the urban flow. A standout feature of gyroscopic transport is its ability to adapt to changing traffic conditions. The vehicles can raise or lower themselves depending on the congestion below, allowing for efficient navigation without requiring extensive new infrastructure. This eco-friendly system relies on electric propulsion, minimizing carbon emissions and offering a sustainable alternative to traditional urban transit. Though still in its early stages, Dahir Insaat's gyroscopic transport has the potential to revolutionize city travel, providing a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient way to move through bustling metropolitan areas. The potential of gyroscopic vehicles in urban mobility. Gyroscopic vehicles, as envisioned in Dahir Insaat's transport concept, represent a cutting-edge approach to urban transportation. These vehicles stabilize themselves using advanced gyroscopic technology, balancing on large spinning wheels. This unique feature enables them to travel smoothly above the ground on narrow tracks or navigate crowded streets without compromising stability or efficiency. Designed to carry large numbers of passengers or goods, these vehicles could replace traditional buses, cars, and trams in congested urban environments. One of their most notable advantages is their ability to elevate above existing traffic. This minimizes the need for expensive new infrastructure while simultaneously reducing congestion on the ground. The vehicles can also adjust their height dynamically, seamlessly maneuvering through busy city streets and over obstacles. Sustainability is a core aspect of this concept. Powered by electric propulsion. SB-1 Defiant helicopter. The SB-1 Defiant is a cutting-edge military helicopter developed collaboratively by Sikorsky and Boeing for the U.S. Army. This advanced aircraft is designed to deliver unprecedented speed, agility, and versatility, making it a game-changer in military aviation. Powered by coaxial rotors and a rear-mounted propeller, the SB-1 Defiant achieves speeds of up to 390 km per hour, 242 miles per hour, far surpassing traditional helicopters. This innovative propulsion system allows for rapid deployment in combat zones and swift evacuation of personnel and equipment. The helicopter's unique design also enhances its maneuverability, enabling it to operate effectively in challenging environments, including dense urban areas and rugged terrains. The Defiant's spacious cabin accommodates both troops and cargo, making it ideal for a variety of missions, from troop transport to medical evacuations. Its advanced avionics and sensor systems provide enhanced situational awareness, ensuring mission success in high-pressure scenarios.